Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandrika. So as per the thumbnail, we are going to create a intense black smoky eye look today. And first I'm going to take a black kajal and apply it throughout my lower lash line. And I'm going to take this flat brush and spread it out evenly. Once I've spread this evenly, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I will start blending the kajal. I'm gonna apply some kajal in my inner lash line also, and then I will blend it out more. Always blend it with the tip of your brush. As you can see, the kajal is looking quite wet, so we are going to blend it further so that this will become transfer proof. You will see this in a minute. I will show you. So now you can see there is no transfer of the kajal. I'm going to apply the same kajal all over my upper lid also. I will roll my eye upwards and see till where my kajal is going to transfer. Now you can see. Now I will start blending it. As you can see, it has marked up till where my kajal is going to stamp up, the wet kajal, so that there we will start packing a eyeshadow. Once I've blended this enough, I'm going to take some brown eyeshadow and pack it onto my crease, and then I will start blending it. Don't worry if the kajal is disappearing, because in a while we will pack this up with a powdered shadow also. I'm going to take the same brown eyeshadow and blend it into my lower lash line also for the same gradient smoky effect. Remember, blend it with the tip of your eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to take this black powdered eyeshadow with a flat brush, and then I will start applying this on my upper lid. Since we have applied kajal, we are going to set this wet base with a powdered eyeshadow, and with the same flat brush I'm going to wing this out. As you can see, I'm creating a small winged eye look here. And then with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend this again. Don't worry if the eyeshadow is not darker on the upper side of our lid, because in a while we are going to apply some shimmer shade. Just make sure that your lash line is dark enough. Now I'm going to take this gold eyeshadow with my finger, and then I will slowly pat this all over my lid. Do not drag, just pat the shadow. And then with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to blend this out. As you can see, we have got this beautiful party look. I'm going to apply some mascara and pop on some false eyelashes. Look how beautiful that is. Now I'm going to take some shimmer eyeshadow and apply it into my inner corner and my brow bone as well. So as you can see, we have got this beautiful look. Just apply some wet base and pat some powder and then shimmer on it and blend. That's it. You are ready for a party. So I hope I've taught you something in this, and thanks a lot again for showing so much of support. Comment down below what looks you'd like to see again. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications from me, and recommend my channel to your friends as well, and keep supporting me like this. I love you guys. Stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.